In today's video, I'm going to teach you about SoFi student loan refinancing as we head into 25, providing a step-by-step guide to figure out if it's the right choice for you. Starting with understanding what refinancing actually means, refinancing your student loans involves taking out a new private loan with SoFi designed to pay off your existing federal and/or private student loans. This process is primarily aimed at achieving certain financial goals, such as lowering your interest rates, reducing the amount you pay each month, or even shortening the overall term of your loan. By consolidating your loans through refinancing, you potentially find more favorable terms that can lead to significant savings over time. The next important step involves checking if you meet SoFi's eligibility requirements. To qualify for refinancing through SoFi, a key criterion is that you must be a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. Additionally, having completed a degree from a Title IV accredited school is essential. Moreover, a solid credit history is necessary, although if that's not your strong suit, a credit-worthy cosigner can help secure the loan. SoFi also takes a close look at your financial stability by assessing either your current employment status or your potential earning capacity, so it's crucial to demonstrate steady income. With your eligibility established, let's explore what SoFi offers you in 2025. One of the most attractive features is the choice between fixed and variable rates. SoFi provides competitive annual percentage rates, commonly referred to as APRs, that often compare favorably against federal loan rates. For repayment, you have the flexibility to choose from loan terms of 5, 7, 10, 15, or 20 years, depending on your financial strategy. Another advantage of refinancing with SoFi is the absence of fees that usually catch borrowers by surprise. For example, you won't face any origination fees, prepayment penalties, or late fees, minimizing any financial burden from unexpected costs. Furthermore, as a SoFi member, you have access to several benefits, including career coaching and financial planning services. SoFi also offers unemployment protection, which can temporarily pause your loan payments in case you lose your job, adding an extra layer of security. Finally, when considering how much to refinance, SoFi allows you to refinance as little as $5,000 or go up to the full total of your eligible student debt. This broad range provides flexibility whether you seek to address a small portion or the entirety of your student loan obligations. Through this strategic refinancing process, SoFi aims to make your financial situation more manageable, assisting you on your journey toward financial freedom. As you consider taking advantage of SoFi's offerings, bear in mind these details to make a well-informed decision that aligns with your long-term financial goals.